Today we're touring some homes in Amelia Island, Amelia Concourse. This one is Riverside Builder. Come on, check it out with me and tell me what you think. Some nice pavers, 3-car garage, covered porch, nice glass door, the windows on the outside, luxury vinyl floors. And to your immediate left, we have a full bathroom with a tub and shower combination, hard surface counter, and it looks like a tiled shower, which is nice with your different colored tile in there. And then we have a transition into a bedroom with nice tall ceilings and tall windows, nice carpet, and a decent sized closet. And across the hall is bedroom number 2. We do have a linen closet. And this is bedroom number 2. Your simple lighting up at the top, but very tall doors. A nice wide entrance. Then it gets a little narrow. And then to your right, we have the garage and the nice big laundry room. And they've brought the flooring all the way through, which is quite a lovely transition. Very tall ceilings, the crown molding at the top. To come down the hall, to your immediate right is your gourmet kitchen with your gas stovetop and your hood that's built right in, your double stacked cabinets, hard surface counter, undermounted sink, your stainless steel appliances, a double oven, backsplash, hardware on the cabinets, and a nice wide open living dining combination. These ceilings look about 12 feet tall, and they did some wood in the tray ceiling, which is a very nice accent. Lots of windows here. And then off of the kitchen, we have, it looks like you could do an office or a dining room here, and they have the French doors, which is lovely. Off of the kitchen, of course, there's going to be a pantry. And you can see that it is a very nice sized pantry. Off of the kitchen is a bedroom. And this bedroom has a bathroom. This is the owner's suite. And then the owner's restroom with a nice big soaker tub, the shower, the double sink. Notice they did a different color in here. Big mirror with the lighting over top. They have the brass accents in here. Private water closet. And this is one closet. I think hers. We'll see if this one looks bigger. And definitely that would be his. So let's see what the view looks like outside. We have a lake view. So let me know what you all think. Tray ceiling with your molding in this room as well. And the carpet here on the floor. Is this something you could envision yourself living in? Let's start chatting. So what do you guys think of that Riverside home? There's also ICI still building in this community. If you want to look at my other video that I've done in this community, you can get a really good idea of ICI. Of course, they do have some move-in ready homes starting with the ICI in $795,000, working their way up. So you just have to be mindful of your budget. And of course, in this community, because it is a golf course community, there is a mandatory buy-in. If you're not a golfer, you still have to buy in. There is an initial fee, and then you have an annual fee. There's also CDD fees in this community and an HOA fee. So that is something you would have to consider whether you want to live in a gated golf course community in Fernandina, and they call this Amelia. But some of the amenities, of course, as I said, I believe it's an 18-hole golf course. They have the pool, they have the clubhouse, they have dining, they have a playground. So it's very well organized for families. So whether you're a young family or you're even in the retirement group, you're going to have options here. There are activities that are organized, and they send out calendars. So it's a great way to meet your neighbors if you want to be active and go into the community. But Amelia National is very close to the beach. You're probably 8 to 10 miles away from the beach, which is lovely. And you are not too far from I-95, and you're very close to the airport, to the Jacksonville airport as well. One of the golf holes right there. See, you could drive your golf cart through this community. There's another hole on this side. So they have some man-made lakes, obviously. Sidewalks on one side. Most of the homes have paver or concrete driveways. And you can see there's a lot of different styles of homes in this community. If you are looking for resale, that is also an option. They have tennis courts. So you can see this is the clubhouse area, but Amelia National is definitely a nice option. So now that you've had the opportunity to see one of the great builders in the Amelia Concourse community, what do you think of Riverside Homes? What do you think of Amelia Concourse? Is this a community in an area of Florida that you want to consider living in? Make sure you reach out to me today. I'll leave all the details. And like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for following, and have an awesome day. And remember, life is too short not to love where you're living. And I'm living the dream in Jacksonville, Florida. And I would love for you to be my neighbor.